What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Mikhail's View. Let's talk about the watch list for tomorrow. Let's get started. All right, guys, welcome back. I hope you had a great and amazing trading day today. Today, for me, the market seemed kind of choppy. There was opportunities for scalping, but it was just too choppy, the overall market. So I kind of sat silence all day. But let's look at the SPY and let's look at what it's looking like. So the SPY today we closed, I would say this is pretty close to a flat bottom here with red volume. Now I was expecting the SPY to fall to the downside today, just because we did form a doji with red volume, and it just seemed like we were gonna come back around to this area, and we didn't. We popped to the upside, but again, we're right at some resistance here. We go to the one. If we go to the 1 hour, you're gonna see, okay, the resistance that we've had here in the last couple times, and so we've hit this area multiple times. So there is a resistance. We do have a sort of rising wedge here that we can break out of tomorrow. You can see we do need to break above this high 440, and we do have this trend here. We're gonna jump into a lot of resistance in this area, 440, 441. If we can break above that, yeah, we have room to run to about 447 next. So we can definitely keep an eye on that and see if we're gonna bounce, reject, or just go through it. Maybe break, bounce, and then go hit that 447, 448 area tomorrow and Friday. So we'll see what the SPY does tomorrow. So watch those levels. It is gonna get heavy resistance. Probably shorts are gonna come in here and try to bring it back down. So also, if it does reject, this is the area where I would be looking for a bounce around 435 for a possible reversal to the upside. So those are the scenarios that you can look for: a break, a bounce back, and then a touch of 447, 448, or a rejection right away, come bounce, and then go and break again. So those are the things that I'm going to be watching for the SPY. Those are the scenarios that you need to keep on watch for tomorrow. And so another thing, how's the weekly looking here? Oh, we're still at a doji, okay, on the weekly, so keep that on watch. All right. Let's move on over to Tesla. Tesla sold off in the morning and then came back, and we're back to those this 900 area level that we cannot break. And let's see tomorrow if we can break for the first time. Let's look at the 1 hour, see what we're dealing with. Again, you can see on this one we have a downtrend, all right, that we need to break. You can see the trend right here. This is the trend that we need to break in order for us to go for a new high. So if we can break above this, okay, tomorrow, break above, maybe come and test it, and then go for about 920, 935. That's the range that we have for tomorrow. We can break above, test, and go. Okay, so keep that on watch for Tesla tomorrow. 935, 933, around this area, we're gonna have a lot of, what is it? Okay, let me come here. Yeah, 928, 930, guys. That's where we're gonna have a lot of resistance on Tesla. So if we do break above, test, and go, that's a pretty decent move to make some decent money. So keep that on watch for tomorrow for Tesla. All right. What else are we watching? Watching Etsy. Okay, Etsy today we broke this flag, came and tested this trend and bounced right back up, and now we're right at resistance. So tomorrow there's a lot of stocks that were right at resistance, and tomorrow I see either break it, make it or break it type of deal tomorrow. So we're gonna see how the market does tomorrow. We are hitting a lot of resistance on Etsy. If we could keep going, target's gonna be around this 178 area. Again, let's go back to the 1 hour. Again, we're having a lot of resistance up here. All right, but if we do break, this is the area that I'm looking for a potential target. So keep that on watch. What else do we have? We have AMD. All right, now AMD, we have this downtrend here on the 1 hour. You could see here if we can break above this downtrend. If we can break above this downtrend, we have room to about 122. Break above that, then we have some room to run to about 126. So keep this one on watch. We are building momentum here in the 1 hour. Let's go to the daily. On the daily, we do have this downtrend that we cannot get above. Again, if AMD were to come down again right here, it's a good up buying opportunity. Not financial advice, just my opinion. But for me, this would be another good buying opportunity for it to bounce right back and finally break through this downtrend that we've had since what, December. Okay, so we've had a rally, come back down, a smaller rally, we can come back down and finally break through and go from there for a nice recovery. So that's what I'm watching from AMD. This is QCOM. All right, this is the daily. We formed a doji with some green cat volume. Let's look at the 1 hour. Okay, so the 1 hour, if we can break this downtrend, we have room 172, 174 tomorrow. So keep that on watch, draw that downtrend, see if we can break and move to the upside. I think I covered everything. There's another one that keep an eye on, and as DWAC. Today we hit 100, and slowly DWAC on the 1 hour, you could see we've been on an uptrend. Okay, since here at 87, we've been on an uptrend. We hit 100 today. It's kind of pulled back to this trend right here, and then we're moving up. So tomorrow it has potential to hit 105. So keep that on watch if the market holds tomorrow. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. That's pretty much it. If you like the content, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your family and friends. Also, if you want to trade live with me, you can join me on the Discord. The link's down below. Other than that, have a great night, and I'll see you guys mañana. Have a blessed night. Bye-bye.